Alright, so it takes 3 AA batteries, guys. It was quite the struggle to open it, but hey, that's one less than usual, so that's good, I guess. Seems pretty standard. I hope this is the left and right trim because it looks like it's trimmed incorrectly, but we'll see about that. It looks pretty good. Like the shocks are very small, but I guess they don't feel like they might have some oil in there. And again, not as noisy as the Arma that I recently reviewed, which is a good thing. We'll take a look at what's inside here. I saw the charger earlier and it has a bunch of tools. So it looks like they give you a whole replacement part for this part here. And they give you the entire replacement part for what's up there, which is, I've never seen this before, and I think it's
Likey